Hello, what's up everyone? Alright, hi, my name's Ray and we're going to install my Class 1 hitch for my 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. It's made by Draw-tite, part number 24850. Okay, this is an easy install. I went to some shops, they're asking for more money, but I've seen videos that one or two people could actually install it easy. All right, let's go ahead and start. Okay, now what we're going to install is we're going to place this hitch, this hole, into this section right here. It's going to be the same way to the other side, so I'll show that too. We're going to need a 9/16 wrench, open end or socket, and a 13mm socket or open end, whichever is easier. Thank goodness I got the Flowmaster shorties, which is pretty good. It didn't take up all the space, so that's yeah, so they're shorties. So that's my exhaust system. I'm trying to decide if I want to delete my mufflers. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this up. Okay. All right. Now the jack points. This is my jack point to lift the car just a bit. This way I could get enough clearance to get the hitch into the vehicle, underneath the vehicle. Here's another section. I put a jack there, safety jack. And there's one of the holes. I'm going to be placing the center part of the hitch, which is right here. That there. That's going to fit in there, placed with a nut and some spacer washers. And the other nut, I was thinking about that we couldn't see, is right there. Oh, sorry about that, my hand's shaking. And that's the other nut right there. Okay. And for safety measure, always put a block on the front of your wheels. Sorry, it's upside down. Yeah. This one here is the actual block. So now my driveway is like a downhill incline, so be advisable, never do this unless you know what you're doing. But I've got everything covered. You should always do this on this installation. You should always do it on a flat area. Yeah. I just got the wheel barely lifted, just barely off the ground. Okay, I got finally the first two main bolts to the frame. That's one. And there's the other one. It took me a while. Since I'm only one person, I was able to get it. These are the first bolts you want to bolt on before mounting this one here. Alright, there's the third mount. See, you see the black part, that's the hitch, and right behind is the hole where you have to mount it. You have three special length bolts, and then a special Loctite hex nut that goes behind that, and then you're gonna have to place some washers because there's gonna be a lot of spacing that you have to cover up, because you don't want to have any spacing on it, because it won't keep it steady. It won't be strong and stiff. All right. Okay. As you can see, I was able to mount the bolt. You have to use a regular washer and a Loctite type washer. As you can see behind it, it's like brass color. Those are the two things you have to add on. And then the length of the bolt I used a medium sized length bolt. That's the size I use. So it may vary, you know, depending on, I guess, your exhaust system or something, I don't know, but I had to use a medium length bolt for this. And for spacing, I used washers, 8 washers, and then the last part is the special hex nut. It's like a special type of lock nut, so I got that on. It took me a while to get it in, but I got it. From there, we will tighten up everything, this and all the others, to torque specs. Right now I don't have a torque wrench. Right now I'm just waiting for my good friend. He's taking a special day with his wife, so later on when he comes back we'll torque it up. But you have to make sure these are torqued to the correct specs. Alright, so we'll just tighten this all up, and we'll see the finished product. Okay, we are done. So this is how the hitch looks like installed. Bolt, torque down and everything. Well, not torque down yet, but yes. So there's a spacer and washers. So I torqued it as much as I could. Alright, so that's good. And this is what it looks installed. Pretty cool, huh? I got some future multi-purposes with this hitch. Pretty cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed my heartfelt installation hitch, installing this hitch on my 2010 Camaro SS. Please give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Yeah, not bad. I got some great prospects and multi-purpose uses for this hitch. Alright, thanks for watching, and like I said, subscribe and give me a like. Thanks for watching.